Okay guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is on a wee upgrade on the indicator side repeater from this to this. This style here is the upgraded smoked LED. It's a pretty simple job. So as you can see, the reason I'm upgrading is the wee protected film, plastic film came off it. So I got these, I'll put the link in the description. Got these off eBay, £20 UK. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is cut and join the wires. Okay, so the tools you'll need is a couple of bits of heat shrink with a lighter, bit of electrical tape, plastic grommet popper, wire strippers, and a Stanley blade. Okay, so you go to the end at the back end of the vehicle. This is where the clip is. Get your plastic grommet popper and pop it in, and it should pop out like so. Cut the two wires here as close as possible. Then we've also to cut these two wires. Okay, so as you can see, I cut the connector off, strip the two wires back, and I have to do the same out on the one on the vehicle now. So now you can see that the wires are stripped. Just pop over your heat shrink. And then we'll wire them together. Pop the heat shrink over. And melt them. Okay, so that's the heat shrink on, and now just a wee bit of electrical tape around both of them. Okay, and hopefully that will just stop the water ingress getting anywhere near them wires.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Make sure that the clip goes back to there, and then all you do is pop it in and make sure it's working. That's pretty simple. Hope you enjoyed this wee quick video. Check out the next one. Thank you.